want to show you the things that grandma brought for me from Nigeria. She brought a lot of things for my omugwo. These are the things she brought. She came with these 2 big bags. Unfortunately, this one over here got torn, but custom people helped her and repacked it with this white nylon. So I'm unboxing and unpacking everything now so that we all will see what is inside the bag. I don't need to open the padlock because my mother bought 8 padlocks. She bought 8, guys. I just need to cut it from that place that was already torn so that we start unpacking everything inside. Yeah, that's honey. This is original Nsala honey. Some of you call it peanuts, but we Africans, we are used to calling it granite. As you can see, she wrote granite on it. And she dried it already, so I can fry it, I can cook it. So guys, that one is abacha, cassava flakes. Yeah, castor oil seed. That is ogiri Igbo. My mom came to Norway with Johnson baby powder, guys. Can you imagine? I have Johnson baby powder, very big one, but she came with this one from Nigeria to Norway. What's that? Yeah, seeds. This is spices. I think this is for pepper soup and for banga soup as well. You use this to cook banga soup and pepper soup. Yeah, like I said, here is written banga spices. Banga spices, and you can use it to cook pepper soup as well. Yeah, that's another honey. Bring it. This and the other one, it will last me for years. And it's original honey. Oh, no cube, oh, no cube. My nothing finished like how many months ago now? That was sensoka, I guess. Yeah, that's was sensoka. Toothache solution. Yeah, there was a time I complained about toothache, but I went to dentist here. I told my mom that I have toothache. See what she brought. Toothache solution. This is Zobo.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it, get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Cowpea flour. Is it cowpea? I think that should be, that's okpa. That should be bambara flour, not cowpea, because it's okpa. It's bambara flour, not cowpea, because it's okpa. Oh, there's another nut that got turned. I think that's a cowpea. Cowpea is fiofio now, right? I think that's cowpea. Okay, no, that is not cowpea. See cowpea here, fiofio. This one is cowpea. The other one that got turned is I don't know the name in English, but we call it opodudu. Ata mmiri or sake. Other people call it opodudu.
Baby, leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Wow. Grandma bought me funky wig. She said that this is the type of wig that is raining now in Nigeria, that a lot of people have it. So she bought one for me. That's lace. Very fine. Fine color. That's another lace, white color. Or is it milk? Yeah, I think that should be the turkey clothes. This one is, when I wear this one, you will see this one when I wear it, but it's Turkish clothes that I have.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this this world just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid.